Alright guys, so here is my PlayStation 2 Slim that wouldn't work. As you guys can tell, that wouldn't turn on. So I got my screwdriver right here. This right side to open it up. And I'm going to be trying to open this up again to see what's wrong with it. Try it one more time. And yeah, because maybe there can be something I'm missing. So as you guys can see, I put the little thumbtacks back on the bottom right here. Right here, right there, right there. They're all back on. So yeah, except for this one, I don't know where this one is. I lost that one somewhere. Besides that, this thumb, you guys are wondering what that is. That's Nintendo World. But yeah, I got that. So yeah, today I'm going to be opening this PlayStation up. See if we can get it back up and running. Hopefully we can. If I don't, my apologies. But anyway, yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing we gotta do is take the tags off. So how I like to do this is I like to just go under it a little bit, the screwdriver, not too hard. That's fair. Take it back off. So it should peel right off. As you guys can see, there's a screw right there. Go ahead and peel this one off. Hang on. We got this. There we go. Come on. There we go. So we got that tack off. And we're going to go ahead and get these little ones off. There we go. Just going to keep them right here, over there. So hopefully, this can help you guys out a little bit. Because we just take these off. It will make your nose kind of hurt. Okay. I'm trying to. There we go. Get that off. Got that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the screwdriver and go ahead and get this out of here, right here. So we're gonna go ahead and screw this way. Hopefully we can get this off. So alright, so make sure you keep up with these screws. Oh yeah, another thing I want to remind you, almost forgot about this. Make sure to take out your memory cards. Because those you want to keep out. If you guys are wondering what model of the Slim this is a Slim 3. The one I used to make my Red Screen of Death video. My most popular video on this channel, actually. Okay, so come on, focus. There we go. And alright. Hang on one second, let me put you guys down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take all these screws out, so you guys are gonna be down for a little while. And this is gonna be pretty helpful if you want to know how to take apart if you want to, you know, clean out your PlayStation 2. It's not reading a disc, and you want to clean it out. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty helpful. Which is exactly half of my home console box variations, but I have all of them for the N64, which is really, really cool. So the signs that I have on top are Mario, Donkey Kong, Star Fox, and Link from the Legend of Zelda. Come on. I just chose the figures based on the games, really. So we have Mario, oh my god. These are just a little bit stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, we got this. Kirby for the Wii, and then a Splatoon figure, of course, the Inkling Girl, or the Inkling Girl, yeah, for Wii U, basically that's enough to do as well. So for the N64, first of all, look at all these consoles. It's supposed to be 16. From the top left, you have the pink and white, and you have the blue and white, and you have the Just Go 30th anniversary. That one is incredibly rare. Oh, oops. Oh yeah, so I got one more left. Series of 6s right here, which are awesome. Jungle Green, Fire Orange, Smoke Black, Okay, guys. I'm sorry that I put you guys down for this long. I don't know. Oh crap, I almost lost the screw. Okay. So if you guys are wondering, there is going to be a sticker under here hiding a screw. So make sure to take that sticker off right below this sticker. And yeah, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. I'm going to put you guys down because I don't want to drop it. Alright, so we're going to take the casing off, and there's going to be a little bit of tacks that's going to keep it in. It's going to keep it together. So first, what you want to do is you just want to. Alright, we don't want to break it here, so we want to be careful. So yeah, so as you guys can see, it's opening up right there. And there we go. So yeah, this is just a shell. And the actual console itself is right here. So yeah, this is just the shell of the console. Here it is right here. So basically, as you guys can see, we got this stuff. It's kind of really dusty. Hopefully the screwdriver can unscrew these screws. I hope. We're going to try to take this out, take it all out, remove it, and screw it back in. Hopefully that will fix it. And if you guys are wondering, here's a power supply right here. This is a problem that I'm having right here. My PS2 would not turn on. It's all hooked up. And yeah, so I will see you guys in a little while. As you guys can see, the disk drive itself picks up by itself right there pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and place that back in there. But yeah, today we are going to be trying, here's the battery right here, okay. So my problem is that this would not turn on. So we did an opening up guide, how you open it up, how you take those tacks off. So now we're going to try to unscrew. Alright. Yeah, so we got some unscrewing to do. So, yeah. So, basically, I took this apart. Everything's back on. One problem I am having is that the LED red light that's right here does not show up when it's plugged in. You can hear the console is breathing through, but the LED light for this does not show up. So, yeah. Alright guys, so here it is, and here's the problem I'm having. As you guys can see, no LED light. If you guys are quiet for a second, I'm gonna be quiet. You guys can hear that sound indicating that it has power running through it. But however, the console itself will not turn on. So yeah, I didn't really explain this in the last video. I did a tearaway guide. But yeah. So the console itself will not turn on. So if you guys do know how to fix this, please help me out right here. I did tear apart this console, you know, just to make sure. Or I can buy a PlayStation 2 portable. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to try to fix this if I can. But right now, guys, we just do not have luck. This is not turning on. It looks like it won't go on either. I'm holding it right now. Nothing. So I think I might actually need this ribbon right here. This ribbon. Hold on, come on. Alright, focus. Okay, there we go. That ribbon right there is kind of. It looks kind of bent. I think that can be a cause of the problem. But besides that, right now, it won't turn on. We had this thing for years, honestly. Like, I don't know. We had this thing since, like, what, 2007? 2007? Probably. I don't even remember how long we had this thing. We had this thing for so long. But, yeah. So yeah, it just will not turn on. You guys can hear it has power circulating through it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please help me out here. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.